there. Though I don't know, that wasn't really a pop.
Let's try it.
I ripped off the end.
Let's hear it.
And now for the majestic call of the loon.